Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare FastAPI versus Express. We'll dive into the core aspects of these two powerful web frameworks. FastAPI, built with Python, is celebrated for its speed and automatic documentation. Express.js, a Node.js framework, is known for its flexibility and extensive middleware ecosystem. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of their strengths and weaknesses, helping you choose the right tool for your next API development project. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, FastAPI often takes the lead, thanks to its asynchronous nature and Python's type hints, which enable highly optimized code. It's built on top of Starlet and Pydantic, providing excellent speed. Express.js, running on Node.js, excels with its non-blocking I/O, making it very efficient for handling many concurrent connections, particularly in I/O-bound applications. While Python has the GIL, FastAPI's async features mitigate this for many web tasks, offering a compelling performance profile. FastAPI shines with its built-in features, particularly the automatic generation of interactive API documentation, which saves developers a lot of time. It also offers robust data validation and serialization through Pydantic. Express.js, on the other hand, benefits from the massive Node.js ecosystem. You'll find countless middleware and libraries on NPM for almost any need, offering incredible flexibility. While Express requires more manual setup for features like documentation, its modularity allows for highly customized solutions. So, which one is better? FastAPI is a fantastic choice for projects demanding high performance, strong type safety, and automatic documentation, especially if your team is proficient in Python. It's a go-to for machine learning and data-intensive APIs. Express.js is ideal for those already in the JavaScript ecosystem, building full-stack applications, or needing a highly flexible framework for microservices. The best choice truly hinges on your specific project needs, team skills, and the ecosystem you prefer to work within.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.